The Hawaii Department of Education supports our state by promoting student achievement and fostering educational excellence while ensuring equal access for all. To accomplish their mission and prepare Hawaii students to be competitive on a global scale, it is imperative that the department is directly involved with the state legislature to help determine which bills become laws. The DOE's Innovation, Planning, and Evaluation branch manages the department's legislative initiatives. Legislative initiatives are currently handled using a system called IBM Lotus Notes. However, the existing Lotus Notes expert will retire within the next 5 years, and there is a need to modernize this outdated system. Without this system, the DOE does not have a way to actively track new bills and measures from the Capitol, therefore putting future generations' education in jeopardy. Our application, DOE Legislative Tracker, or Doelt, modernizes the DOE's outdated tracking system by introducing a modern user interface and improving the access and usability of the system. Because Doelt is a web application, it can be accessed from any location and from any device that is connected to a network. Before diving into the application itself, let's take a moment to discuss the design of our web scrapers. Scraping the latest data from the Capitol's website is essential for this application, as the DOE needs the latest information to plan and coordinate legislative action. Each time a page on our application is loaded, the client sends a request to our custom API, and our API relays that request to the Hawaii State Capitol website. The Capitol website then sends back a response with its entire page structured as a data object. We then reformat this data depending on the client's request and send the data back to the client. For this application, we built 3 separate scrapers. One that gets a list of all of the bills on the Capitol's website, one that gets specific information about a certain bill, and one that retrieves information about all of the upcoming hearings. Now, onto the application itself. When first visiting the page, users are prompted to log in. Because the system is for DOE internal use only, access has been restricted to DOE employees. New users are able to contact a DOE administrator to create an account. Once logged in, the user's homepage is displayed. The homepage shows the user's notifications, upcoming hearings, and a list of bills that the user has saved. This page always displays the latest information from the Capitol website. Clicking the calendar option in the navigation menu takes the user to the calendar page, where they can see a quick overview of the different events happening that month. Clicking on a calendar event, such as hearing, provides the user with a video link to the hearing and information about the hearing in a PDF format. This information is always the latest information from the Capitol website. When the user clicks the View Bills button, a page displaying all of the bills and measures that the DOE is tracking appears. The page displays important information about each bill, including office assigned, hearing date and time, and the current status of the bill. The list can also be sorted and filtered with a variety of search options. For example, to see all of the bills assigned to OFO that have hearing dates before the end of May, we can open Filters, select OFO from the Office dropdown, and change the hearing date to before May 31st. If a user needs to track a bill that hasn't been saved in the DOE database, they can navigate to the All Bills page. The All Bills page displays a list of all of the bills and measures that are stored on the State Capitol's database. Our scraper ensures that this list always displays real-time information from the Capitol. Users can choose the year and bill type that they want to find, and can further filter or search for a specific bill, similar to the previous page. For example, to view all of the bills from 2019 that originated in the Senate, we can change the year here, select Senate Bills, and the list is automatically updated. We can see there are a lot of results, so we can further refine the list by using the filter options. Here, we can type in school to search all bills that have the keyword school. Once we find a bill that we want to keep track of, we can click the Save button. We can then add DOE-specific information about the bill, and then hit the Submit button. We get a confirmation message, and we can see on the list that the bill has been saved into the DOE database. Users can click on a bill's title to view more information about the bill. If the bill isn't saved to the DOE database, the user will be directed to the bills page on the Capitol's website. If the bill is saved in the DOE database, the user will be directed to a bill details page that contains specific information pertaining to the DOE. Our scraper automatically populates this page with the most recent information about that specific bill from the Capitol's website. From this page, users can select Edit to add and edit additional information about the bill, such as offices assigned, DOE position, or DOE internal status. After editing, selecting Save Changes will update the DOE database with the information entered by the user. Users can also track, create, or edit testimonies from this page. In-progress testimonies are at the bottom of the page, and new testimonies can be added by clicking the button at the top of the page. Selecting Create Testimony takes the user to the Create Testimony page. Here, we can edit the testimony, save changes, and route the testimony to the next level for review. Selecting Download PDF generates a PDF document of the testimony with all of the information entered in the Edit Testimony page. The DOE utilizes roles so that certain users have permissions for specific responsibilities regarding testimonies. Each user is assigned a specific role, and selecting Route for Review will notify the users with the next highest role that a testimony is ready for review. Doelt is an application that modernizes the features of the existing Lotus Notes through its updated user interface and ease of accessibility. With the use of our custom data scraper API, Doelt is able to get the most recent bill information straight from the Capitol's website to display on our dashboard. Users can view and edit specific bill information, create and track testimonies, and download testimony information in the form of a PDF document.